Hey guys, my name's Allegra Light and I'm going to show you how to do a backhand throw like this. So to start, we're going to keep the staff horizontal in front of us. We're going to grip the staff about a third of the way down the grip, like so. And then we're going to rotate the staff, if you're using your left hand, anti-clockwise, and rotate it behind the back of your hand, and then we're going to use that momentum to throw it and catch it like that. So on your right hand, we'll try it this way. So we're going to start, the staff is in front of you, it's going to be horizontal. You're going to give it a clockwise spin, it'll go over the top of your hand. You're going to grip it, and then you're going to give it some momentum, give it a half rotation, and grip the other third of the staff, so you can continue that movement afterwards if you want to. And you can practice this movement by doing it several times in a row. And as you get better, you can even practice more than half a rotation when you give it a spin. You can give it a few rotations even, or just one rotation. Just practice seeing how that feels. So one way that you can transition out of this move is you can do the backhand throw, you catch it, and then you can rotate it behind the body and then go in front. It looks quite nice, and then you can do another one if you want. And it's good to practice on both sides. If you ever get into double staff, you'll thank me later. I'm not as good on my right arm, and it's really good to practice on both so that you can be really smooth with your staff and your flow. And that's how you do the backhand throw.